Hi, my name's Damon Taylor and I'm Director of Kiss the Bride Wedding Directory, and I've got something very exciting to share with you. We've implemented a new bridal gift registry into our wedding directory. That means that you can download our toolbar with a little widget in it, and you can add anything from any website and add it instantly to your wedding gift registry. Now how cool is that? So to get started, download our toolbar and click the download toolbar button and instantly install it. It only takes a few seconds. And be sure to watch the rest of the video where I show you how easy it is to add things to your bridal gift registry for your wedding.
Alright, let's run through installing the toolbar. Okay, here it is here, and this is what it'll look like after it's installed. So if you click on this image here, it will install the toolbar for you. So let's go click. We're using Internet Explorer. Firefox might look a little bit different. So we click run on this one when we're prompted to. We're asked to, if we trust this one, so we say run, and then what it'll do, it will install the toolbar for us. We'll then be prompted with a little screen to say, do you want to set Bing as your default search engine? No, I like to keep mine as Google, so I'll take that one out. It's going to ask me if they want to send me notifications and updates and things. I tend to leave that one in because usually there's some good stuff that comes through. There's an agreement here that says, would you like to install our toolbar? I'm going to agree with that one and get on with it. There'll be a little installer message come up and it will install the toolbar. It takes a few seconds to run through. When it completes, there'll be a screen that will open up, and it will just a thank you screen to say thank you very much. Do you want to add anything else? No, not really. So what I'm going to do now is I want to close that screen off. So I'm going to hit the cross in my top, and I'm back to my page here. Now you'll notice at the top here, our toolbar has now been installed. Now if it doesn't appear there for the first time, just open a new tab, and that might jog its memory, and then come back to the page that we're looking at, and you'll find the toolbar's open. Now just to run through it with you, there's a little search box there for you. There's some Kiss the Bride site links here that you can click on those and have a look and see what they do in a moment. This is our blog. Now this is really cool because each time we post a blog it comes up in your toolbar, and you can have a look and have a look through all the blogs that you haven't done yet. And often, always, well not often, but always, they're useful advice for you in helping you plan your wedding. We've got a stack more blogs on the way shortly. There's another little cool little mark in here, and that's your Facebook one, and that you can connect with your Facebook, and you can drop down a little window which will show you your latest feeds, your status updates, all that sort of stuff. But the one I want to talk about is the Kiss the Bride bridal registry or gift registry. Here it is here. So if we click it in here, the first thing it's going to do is ask you to log in. So let's go. So let's log in. I'm going to use my wife's email address. Bride.com.au. Oops, that's an AI. It needs to be AU, otherwise that won't work. Password, and of course your email address when you make your account, it could be anything. It could be your Gmail account or your corporate account, whatever it might be. If you're not a member yet, you can go and open a free account. And the reason why you need to do that, because when you start saving all your gifts into your gift registry, we need to know who it is storing items into the database. So, and that's easy to do. Just click there and go and open a free account if you don't already have one. You can also click there and go and have a look at our Facebook page if you want to. Okay, so I'm going to put in my password. Now the next little screen that's going to come up is the main meat of the whole shopper. So here we go. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to a website. Any website, could be IKEA, could be Bunnings, could be JB Hi-Fi. Any one of those websites where you're shopping around for your bridal registry, your gift registry, and you think, oh, that might be nice to put in my registry. You can just open your little wedding registry shopper and go click get this item, and I'll show you how it works. Now what I'm doing, I'm putting together a registry list, and I've only got a couple there that are open at the moment. Sorry, my recommended suppliers. Here we go. So let's have a look at JB Hi-Fi. And what we're going to do now, we're going to shop around. So we're going to do some real-time shopping. Now the little windows over the top of the web page. So what I'm going to do, there's either a little icon there which will minimise it. So here we go. So I'm going to go and have a look at some home theatre systems, for instance. So here we are. So the first one opens up and it says here buy online. Now the thing that you've got to remember is that your guests, when they're shopping for your wedding things, would like to open up to a page where they can then take out their credit card, buy it, have it delivered to them or delivered to you, and that's your gift. So they don't want to say, right, go to JB Hi-Fi and then hunt around and look for it, because they might buy the wrong thing. So you really need to go to the page, the exact page where they're going to buy. So here it is here. So let's have a look at this home theatre system. So now what I want to do, I want to click my little shopping icon and I want to click get this item. Now you'll notice that in here straight away the item will go into this little box here. Now sometimes it might look a bit strange or a bit weird. You just need to tidy that up with something that's more applicable to the thing. So then now what we need to do is find the price, $897. So we go $897 and then save it. When it's saved, you'll get a little message that comes back and say that the item's been saved or the item's added. Now here's the magic about it. Let's go and have a look at our registry list. So after you've clicked on the button that says registry list, it will take it to your Kiss the Bride account, and then you go and click my registry and open up your registry list, and this is what will happen. So here are all the things that I've added to my registry list so far, and here is the thing that we just added into our gift registry. Now what will happen now is that the guests will go and log into kissthebride.com.au and have a look for your registry. Now what you need to do is that when you send out your wedding invitations, you need to send them the secret squirrel code, because that identifies you, and it's also just an extra layer of security that so that we know which bride is which. So let me run through that with you again. So let's go back and have a look at a page. So let's go and have a look at JB Hi-Fi again. So alright, let's go, instead of JB Hi-Fi, let's go and have a look at someone else. So I've got Bunnings Warehouse in here. So let's go and have a look at Bunnings. Now, the thing about Bunnings is that whilst Bunnings are a really great store, here we go, so I'm making my postcode. Whilst Bunnings is a really great store, often all their stock's in store. So let's go and see what I mean. So if we go and have a look at our range, and let's go and have a look at lighting and electrical. So this is something that you might like, some of these little lights or whatever it might be, or a fan. So let's go and have a look at this one. A 10cm funky tempo black desk fan. So you might like that and go, okay, I'm going to add that to my list. The thing with this one, what most of them are, is that they're available in store only. So here it is, here look, see it says available in store only. So when a guest comes and has a look at your bridal registry, they go, oh, that one's at Bunnings, I have to go down to the store. The convenience of a bridal registry like this is that a guest can sit behind their computer and buy everything without having to leave their home. So whilst Bunnings is great, I mean, by all means add stock from Bunnings if you like, but the Bunnings gift vouchers would be the ones to buy, I would say, because then you can load up your wallet with the gift vouchers or your purse and go down to Bunnings and buy everything that you need. But let's say that we want to add this one anyway, so we open up our little shopper, we go back to the shopper main page and we say get this item. There it is there, the price of it's $12. So type it in here and then save it. So then the item is added. If we go back to our gift registry over here, and then I'm just going to minimise that and then refresh that page, you'll notice that the Bunnings item would have come up here. There it is, just there, $12. So that means you can add anything from any website into your bridal registry shopper, remembering that this is a free service that Kiss the Bride offer. Your guests can come along and conveniently buy your wedding gifts.
So there you have it. I know you'll love it, so let's get started today.